Hey Siri,
Mm-hmm.
turn light bulb to blue.
Voila, blue.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today we've got here two products from Zemismart. This is a Zigbee Hub and this is a RGB bulb, to be more precise. I will leave the links down below, and we are going to use here the first Zigbee devices on the channel, which is a technology that has a lot of advantages. Before we begin, if you are looking for a budget key for your Windows 10, Windows 11 Home Edition or Pro Edition, don't forget to check out B&H Software, which is a platform that we have been using for the past few months with a great experience. Really easy to purchase, easy to activate, legit, so no issues at all in recommending. I will leave a link down below just in case you want to check that out. Now, we are used to Home Assistant, which is the platform that we use the most, but Zigbee has its own advantages, which some of them I would like to point out before even we talk about these two devices. Really quickly, for those of you that already know Home Assistant, its main function is to be able to put brands A, B, C, and D to talk the same language, and then on one app we can control all of them, and we can schedule and we can do some scenes based one on another. Now, the way that I see Zigbee is more or less the same. It will use devices from brand A, brand B, brand C, and it will be able to make them all talk together in one app. This is compatible with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Alexa. Another advantage is that the devices that we are used to use here on the channel, at least, are Wi-Fi, so they will connect to our router, and if there are too many, probably they might interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. Now, I don't have that problem, and I do have quite a few devices connected, but this is an advantage because Zigbee will connect to our router by itself, and then all the other Zigbee devices will connect to the hub itself, so they will not congest our Wi-Fi connection. Also, there are reports that Zigbee platform or Zigbee technology is safer in terms of security, but this, I would say that depending on the brand that we choose in terms of Wi-Fi technology, that might be the case or it might not be the case. So I would say that there are brands that will be equally safe as Zigbee. Other brands we will need to be cautious because they might be less secure. Now, this is the Zemismart Hub, which I will leave a link down below. It is a simple hub, comes in a simple package with a USB type, not Type-C, micro USB cable to plug it in, to a USB power, and then also a Ethernet cable that will connect to our router. Now, it has a reset button, which we can use if we want to reset it and put it on another place, but basically this is it. It will receive the communication from devices from Zigbee. I did put it on the Apple HomeKit, but I should have started with the Tuya Smart app. So I did connect eventually to both of them. Really easy to plug it in, just it's a matter of a few minutes and we have it working, not even minutes. Now, this bulb is the RGB bulb from Zemismart. I will leave also a link down below, and of course there will be a lot of other products that I haven't tested, but I believe that they will be equally easy to pair and use, and then we can use all of them together. Now, the bulb itself was also easy to pair, but in this particular case the bulb is connected to the hub itself via the Tuya Smart Home app. Once I've got that ready, we just need to use the favorite app that we want, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Alexa, and bam, there we go. Turn the light bulb to 10%.
Okay, I've set the light bulb to 10%.
What I've got here at this moment is the Apple HomeKit app, which you already know, and we can control it really easily by voice, as we have seen, or we can manually control it. And if I press it for long, it will give me another options. I can go on the brightness and I can lower it. I will lower it because it will be difficult for the camera to get it, and I can just simply change colors right over here, and I can do some shortcuts. I can modify, I can edit right over here and put it this one for blue, for example, and this one, if I want, I can change to green. Here we are with a palette that we can easily use and change the lights and the brightness and so on. Of course, we can play around not only with lights but also with temperature, so I can select warmer light or brighter light, and basically this is it. So we have a lot of functionality, and of course I only have one device here, but if you put in a lot of devices it will look a lot better and you will have a lot of control. Now I want to show you of course we also have schedule and things like that and scenes, but let's go to the Tuya app and let's select the Zigbee bulb right over here. And once we get in, we have the options as well to change colors. We have the brightness right over here, so we can go brighter or less bright, and we can have shortcuts on the top as well for the lights. Now, besides this, we have also the temperature. We can go warmer or colder, but let me put here on a color such as this one and with less brightness so that we don't have a lot of glare on the lens. Besides these controls here on Tuya, we also have the scenes that we can select. There are a lot, as you can see. This is the Independence Day. It will change colors right over here, and there are quite a few. You can select any of the one that we prefer, of course. This one is called Christmas. It's changing colors, blue, and this is the birthday. Let's see what this one does. Change colors as well. Well, they all will change colors. One will be faster than the other one. It's just a matter of selecting the one that we prefer. There's also the music one, which if I press start, it will capture the sounds and it will change colors according to the rhythm of the music. At this moment it's not a music, it's just me talking a little bit weird. So let's finish this up, but you got the idea. And we also have the settings that we can have a plan, a schedule, timer, rhythms, and power on behavior. So a lot of options right over here. The app that we select to use is the one that we prefer. Basically, this is the information that I wanted to share to that side of the screen. This is the first Zigbee device that we have here on the channel, so probably in the future we will have more and we will enrich the screen that you have seen on the Apple HomeKit. The experience is good, really easy to use. Links down below for these two products. I do believe that for those that want to start their own arsenal of smart devices on your home, this is a good start. That being said, hope that the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.